Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable active clickable links in the Windows Sticky Notes app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the website you want to enable as a clickable link. Once you're on the page, go ahead and copy the URL link from the address bar at the top of your browser. This is the link that you'll be pasting into your sticky note in just a moment. Now, open your Sticky Notes app on your Windows computer. When the app launches, you have two options here. You can either create a brand new note by clicking the plus button in the upper left corner of the app, or if you already have an existing note that you'd like to use, simply select that one instead. Either option works perfectly for what we're about to do. Next, click inside the sticky note to activate the text field. Once you've done that, paste the URL link you copied earlier directly into the note. At this point, you'll notice the link appears as plain text, which means it's not clickable yet. That's completely normal, and we're about to fix that in the next few steps. Now, look up to the upper right corner of your Sticky Notes app and click on the gear icon. This opens up your settings menu where you can customize various features and options for your sticky notes. This is where the magic happens that transforms your plain text URLs into active, clickable links. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Enable Insights and toggle it on. This feature is what allows sticky notes to recognize URLs and automatically convert them into clickable links. As soon as you enable this setting, you'll notice something happen immediately. The URL you pasted earlier will automatically transform into an active clickable link. You'll be able to tell because the formatting will change, making it clear that it's now interactive rather than just plain text. To make sure everything is working correctly, go ahead and click on the URL link you just created. When you do this, a small prompt will appear asking you to confirm the action. Select Open Link from the options presented. This will launch the website in your default browser, confirming that your clickable link is now fully functional and ready to use. And that's it. You've now enabled active clickable links in your Windows Sticky Notes app, making it much easier to access websites directly from your notes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.